I'm turning 20. Nothing is done. Y'all, I'm gonna vlog my entire birthday weekend. Don't mind how I look, I just got off a flight. I'm very tired, but I also just got this new sweatsuit from Pretty Little Thing. I got my hair done about a week ago. I'm about to try on my birthday dress, my first birthday dress. Let me show you. You would think it looks cute on. I'm not even gonna say the brand, it's not cute. 8:30 right now. I'm tired, but I'm so excited. This is the start of my birthday week. It's really, my cousin's here from today till, can I breathe? Wednesday. So I'm gonna show you my birthday dress on because this is gonna be posted after my birthday anyway. So this is, don't mind my floor, but this is the dress. If this didn't work out, I wouldn't have a dress. I'm gonna clean up my room a little bit. There's stuff everywhere. Cause I ordered from Pretty Little Thing too. They're probably gonna care what I got. I got like some summer clothes. I'm gonna clean up my room by that time. I need to get gas and then I will go get my cousin. Fun fact, I'm named after her. Her name is Naya too. So I don't know how my friends, what they're gonna do, but I'm so excited, y'all. 22 feels like such a big age. Is it a big age or am I dramatic? I'm with Naya! I already did an intro. We're at In-N-Out. I'm starving. Can I get a Flying Dutchman whole girl wrap?
Be like big.
He was tweaking.
I was like, child, take your time. Like, it's okay.
I thought the same thing. I was like, yo, slow down.
I don't know why I thought they had chicken nuggets, like chicken tenders.
Oh, you might be thinking of Cane's.
Yeah.
Oh, I could have took you to Cane's.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what service.
I'm gonna pick out the gold ones because this is my cake. Hold on. It's so cute.
They do not have this in the South.
They have it everywhere here, bro. Oh, there we go. Yay, bye, baby. But thank you. We're all ready. We're about to go to, I'm deciding whether to go to the District or Town Square because they both have the same things I want. I might go to the District. We might go to the District instead. But I need to go to Sephora and I think we should get, oh my God, my toes. I'm gonna do those on the way home.
Okay.
Because they're literally up the street.
Yes.
And then we are going to come home, decompress, and we're gonna blow up balloons. So tomorrow we're not stressed out with it. I'm 22 and
taking a shot at the night.
I'm so excited. We're gonna put a candle on one of the brownies and then take a shot with it. I'm excited.
Blow it out.
Because we need to get a good night's rest tonight.
Yeah. Because we got a long day tomorrow.
What did D-Lo say?
Make sure. You're gonna be like, let me go upstairs. I heard them people. I'll take you through that.
All this 42 don't give a damn about my level. Okay, I'm drinking, smoking, seeing, poking. Put me in the mirror, boost my self-esteem.
How are you close on Monday? Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. My birthday gift is secured. I'm so excited. So what do you want to get? Thank you so much. You too. Bye, thank you. Everybody's so nice today.
Nice if you had the 4.
I want to try the brown one on too. That is cute. It's tight. Like this? Yeah, I think so too. Let's take a test picture. See how it looks on camera. Perfect. It's so cute. This is perfect. I wish I ordered more of those, but whatever. 10:46. We're gonna go to the bar and bring in my birthday. We weren't gonna go out, and then my mom FaceTimed me and she was like, why not? Even Naya was like, why not? And I was like, sure, you're right. Naya's never been to Parkway. It's super chill though.
This is Twin Ranger from
Literally.
Twin, birthday eve and shit.
Birthday Eve, we're bringing in my birthday, guys. Bring in your drink.
You the birthday.
My empty cup. I just ordered another one.
Is this a double? Shit. Okay.
No.
Just the club soda. Yeah, that.
Thank you
whatever.
so much.
This is getting really bad.
This is
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
God bless!
Y'all don't want any limes? You gotta do limes.
oh shit. I mean,
yeah.
you're offering shit.
It's my birthday. Yeah. It's my birthday. Yeah. It's my birthday. Yeah. It's my birthday. Turn me up. Turn me up. It's my birthday.
Teddy, it's my birthday. I hate the joke I'm the birthday, but I'm literally the birthday. This over here is my best friend. I just got my toes done. I hate them. They're so ugly. And I would show you, but no. I've worn this already like 3 times already, but I don't really care. But just a little lemon set. I'm gonna go get birthday freebies, pick up my cake. I'm so excited to pick up my cake. I woke up, oh, we went to the bar last night? Please. I woke up, I was sitting in the shower, I kid you not, like this. Contemplating my life.
We're back, guys.
We got home at like 4:30. We went to Justice's after. Oh, I'll go out, but I'm going home.
But I'm going.
Look,
Actually, no, do one of each. One of each.
it looks so good. We went to Saint Honoré. We're gonna get matcha. I'm excited for this pizza. That's what I want. I was gonna do birthday freebies. Man, please. I'm full, tired, wanna lay down, wanna take a nap.
Hello?
Hi, this is Naya. I'm outside.
Okay, I'll be right off.
Okay, thank you.
Open the door.
Yeah, let me open the door. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's perfect! Yay! Thank you so much. Guys, look. Wait, give me one. Oh, a candle. Oh, that's perfect. We're ready for dinner. This is what I'm wearing. Oh, I already showed y'all because before I went to go pick you up, I put on the dress, tried on the dress. So it's this with all gold jewelry, and then this gold bag, and I just have no clue what shoes I'm gonna wear yet. Not it.
Pink corset. Nice little shorts. The bag. Little kitten. Something simple.
Love it.
No.
Look at the aftermath of this.
I know. Okay.
Died last night and came back to
About
last night, bro. Like,
about last. We did too much when we didn't have to do too much. But it was my birthday, so we had to do too much.
I don't know.
I woke up literally so sick. Vodka, gin, and
and rum. That's why I felt sick.
oh, it's a Long Island. Okay.
Gang, what's up? It's not even fucking 22nd motherfucking birthday in the chat. Watch this.
Oh, God.
Why she be lying like she be in the gym? We know that's a BBL. Why she keep touching her face? You ain't
Oh, that's exactly what I'm playing.
Happy birthday, dear Naya. Happy birthday to you. Make her
I love you, Naya. You're my twin for real. And like, we just locked in like this, bro. Happy 22, big mama.
Happy birthday, Naya. You are such a light, such an angel, and such a soft, pure energy. And I love you so much, and you're such a blessing.
Naya, girl. My light-skinned twin. You the baddest ever. Happy 22.
Happy birthday, Naya. I fucking love you. I hope you have the blessed day. I hope you have the best day ever. I love you so much, baby girl.
Naya. Oh my gosh, my cousin. Ah, you're so grown. Not that grown yet. wait until you like 25, see where you at. But happy motherfucking birthday. You're beautiful. You're gonna thrive. You're gonna have the best time of your life. Enjoy it, because when you get older, you're gonna be like, oh, let me relive my 20s. So live in the life that you have now. And I love you, and you know I got you forever. And come to Atlanta. Move to Atlanta, please.
Happy birthday, you beautiful soul. I'm so happy that you made it to the age of 22. Cheers to more life. I'm so happy I can celebrate with you. We finna turn up at the club. Hey, party, party, party. Yeah.
So far, how has your birthday been?
The best birthday I've almost literally ever had.
Really?
Yes.
I love that. Hey,
I get to go to the club, go to dinner, and be back.
She's 22. Hey, you pushing 30, boo. Oh.
And this is when you get pissed. This is when you piss me off. I'm sorry. Wait. Taco Madero leftovers. No. Shit, that was bullshit. We're